Alright, before we dive into the wild world of budgeting apps, quick heads up. If you fancy a cheeky discount or a special offer, just click the link in the description below. Go on, treat your future self. Now, let's talk money. Specifically, personal capital versus Empower. If your wallet's starting to look like a sad empty tea bag, don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, staring at spreadsheets, wondering if you can afford oat milk lattes pay rent next month. Let's start with personal capital. Think of it as your techie, all-knowing financial mate. It's got fancy tools for tracking your spending, investments, and even your net worth. You can connect all your accounts, bank, credit cards, investments, the lot. It spits out colorful charts so you can see exactly where your extra cash is going. Spoiler, it's probably delivery food. But here's the kicker. Personal capital is a bit like that friend who's always trying to sell you something. The core budgeting features are free, but if you want proper investment advice, they'll try to rope you into their wealth management service. It's a bit posh, honestly, and only really worth it if you've got a decent chunk of change to invest. Now onto Empower, formerly known as Personal Capital. Confusing, I know, but stay with me. Empower's kept a lot of those brilliant tracking features, but it's a bit more focused on helping you stick to a budget and reach those savings goals. Think of it as your financial hype woman. She'll tell you off for splurging on takeaways, then hype you up when you hit your goals. Empower's also got handy features like automatic savings, spending trackers, and even cash advances if payday's looking a little too far away. Plus, no investment upselling. It's straight up no nonsense, just like your nan. So which should you pick? If you're a spreadsheet-loving money nerd with investments all over the place, Personal Capital might be your jam. But if you want simple, no-fuss budgeting and maybe a little pep talk, Empower's calling your name. Don't just take my word for it, try them out for yourself. And remember, that special offer is still waiting for you in the description below. Go on, give your finances a glow up.